Just be free. Yeah. Just be free.
Welcome to the Francis YouTube channel.
Welcome to the Francis YouTube channel. Guys, I will be trying Nigerian food for the first time, prepared by my friend here, Vivian, and she's gonna tell you what she prepared for me to eat. Go ahead, Vivian, tell them what I'm about to eat.
Okay. I prepared pounded yam, Nigeria pounded yam, and a vegetable soup with orishi and jollof rice, Nigeria jollof rice with chicken and sauce. That is where we are going to eat. My friend here is going to try it for the first time. Yeah, so we are going to start now. We're going to call Christabel to bring out this food.
That's her daughter.
Yeah.
Guys, I always so scared of eating African food. I don't know why. Especially like the thing, like the round dumpling thing. Cause
Yeah.
I actually have a friend. She's Nigerian as well, and every time I go by her house and she always cook, I never eat because I was so scared to eat the round.
Which one is that?
The pounded yam?
The pounded yam.
Yeah.
That's what you call it? Yeah, so so I'm gonna try it, put my fears aside, and because I am so accustomed to eating Jamaican food and where I raised up in Angola, I'm accustomed to eating that food, and I've seen
You're going to like it.
Yeah.
You're going to like it.
I've seen the African movie. So
You're going to like it.
okay.
And I believe so.
Okay.
Yeah, take your fear away. We are going to enjoy it.
So bring on the food. Let's go. What are we gonna try first?
We're going to try pounded yam and vegetable soup first. Yes.
Here it goes. See that?
That is pounded yam and vegetable
Yeah. Oh my
soup.
god. Oh my god. And I have seen they eating it with their hands, like
Yeah.
I try eating it with my hands. My hands really good.
Do you want to wash your hand? You bring water for you
Yes.
to wash them. Yeah.
So I'm gonna wash my hands.
Isabel, give us a bowl. Give us water.
Let me wash my hands.
Yeah.
Pounded.
Pounded yam. Oh.
Okay.
How do you cut it? Are you seeing
Are you
it? Are you seeing the way I cut it?
Okay. Okay. Oh your Lord. Mmm. Mmm.
How does it look like?
It's nice.
I told you.
Oh my god, I was so scared to eat this.
It's very good.
Shana, bring camera closer. Look at this. Mmm. This is delicious.
I told you you're going to like it.
Where you used to make this?
It's yam flour.
Flour.
Yam powder.
Oh my god.
You know yam, right? That big
Yeah, yam. don't want to eat it now. So, when I want to eat the chicken, I have to use my hand too?
Yeah. Yeah. Can use your hand for everything.
Oh my God. Yes, sir.
Can take it off and go on. Can take it and bite it. Just be free. Yeah. Just be free. I'm going to finish before you.
Nigerian food. And this leaf, what is this leaf?
It's oh my God, spinach.
Spinach. Oh really?
Yeah, spinach.
Yes, so I like this. So can I have a piece of napkin, please? So I'm ready to taste the next. You look like you eat up.
Yeah, I'm eat half of mine. Because I'll be waiting to have it.
Shut up.
Okay.
Oh my God. So guys, this was pounded
Pounded yam.
Pounded yam.
Pounded yam. Yeah.
It's very delicious.
Yeah.
It's really delicious. I'm gonna, and the spinach is delicious. It's nice. Love it. Next. Here you go.
Thank you.
That was the, oh my God.
Thank you for loving
That
my
was
food.
that. Trust me, that was awesome. The tears up after.
No, she's to her first. She's our guest.
Guys, we are at Vivian's home. So this now, Vivian, what's here?
This is Nigeria jollof rice. This is chicken. This is the sauce. Because some people like you eat it with sauce. Some people eat it like that.
Okay.
So I always like sauce on my
On your
jollof rice. Yes.
Okay.
So that is it. So
Right.
are you ready to test?
Yes, I'm ready to taste the jello. Is jello rice?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice and
Yeah.
chicken.
Jollof rice.
So is the chicken different from the one that I just had?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's begin.
We start.
Taste the jello rice first. Shana, you missed it. It's nice. So what's in this rice though?
You just you know, the water when you boil the chicken, you drain the water out of the chicken, then you boil it with the rice, then you make a stew in another pot, like tomatoes, sauce, mangi, a mangi, and you put, when the rice done, the way you want to mix the rice, we mix it with the water that came out from the chicken. So you mix it together with the tomato sauce and everything. Then you cover it.
And as I eat in the rice, it's like a little, it tastes spicy too. Have a little spice to it, which is make it even more delicious.
Yeah.
So, along with the chicken, and this is baked chicken.
Yeah.
African food tastes really good.
Really good.
Is this, because normally, like when I'm watching the African movie, and the boyfriend or the husband take out the wife, they always have this dish. Is it that this dish is an expensive dish in Africa?
Not that expensive. It's a dish that everybody likes. Then it's presentable.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we are making party, when we are doing party or we are doing anything, a show, it's presentable to bring out for people to eat. It's not that expensive.
Guys, it's delicious. The chicken is amazing. Well seasoned. Shanna, stop what
You are come and join us.
Because Shanna now looking at the camera and Shanna like this.
Like the way you are doing.
Yeah, like you can burn your Shanna with her. Shanna is behind the camera.
But
guys.
it didn't warm it. You want it to be warm.
No, it's fine. It's
Sure.
fine. It's nice, yeah.
It's more delicious.
Guys, this is so delicious. Guys, if you ever try African food before, comment below. Tell us about your experience.
Come to me. I make it nice. I make it nice.
And tell us your experience. If you ever tried, if you never tried, comment below. And also let us know if you want to try it. Also, Vivian have a channel. She's a new YouTuber.
Yeah.
So guys, I need you to go over to Vivian's channel. What's the name of your channel?
Vivian Amorete family.
So it will be right here. So go ahead and subscribe to her channel. And when you go over and subscribe to her channel, tell her that the Francis family sent you. Support the thing.
Thank you, please.
Oh, this is, I'm gonna have Vivian and her family over to my house.
Okay.
Try Jamaican food.
Wow.
You and the kids.
Okay.
You ever tried Jamaican food before?
Once I tried rice and beans.
Rice and peas.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
That was a long time ago. I don't even remember. Very well.
Guys, jalapeno rice. Jalapeno?
Jollof. Jalapeno.
Jollof rice.
All the baby are laugh off of it. What is jollof rice?
Jollof rice. Florence is laughing.
I said jalapeno rice. It's really good. And you can see I can't stop eating, so you know it's good. Okay. Next. This is good. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Something else to try? To finish?
Yeah.
Oh, well, bring back the food then. You want back my food? Make sure say I have more stuff to try. Oh God, when you say soup, what's the soup?
The soup is what
The
was
soup
in the
is
pounded
with the
yam.
pounded yam.
Oh, I thought I was looking for a bowl of soup. No, but we finish my rice then. No, I forgot wait. Guys, I enjoyed this. Thank you so much for inviting the Francis family into your home.
You're welcome.
To try Nigerian food.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We are so glad to have you.
Thank you.
Oh, you see, I finished mine.
I finished too. This is really delicious.
Come on, join us.
Come and join us now. So guys, thank you so much for watching Jamaican Trying Nigerian food for the first time.
Yeah,
it was really delicious. Please, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please comment in the comment box and let us know that you are new so that we can welcome you. And please share up the video.
thank
And
you.
remember to comment below if you try the Nigerian food. Let us know if you tried and what was your experience of the, what you call it, the
jollof rice and pounded yam.
Yes. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.